Welcome to What's in the Shop and good morning. Here we are in Blackout LATROBE. We've got a Viper ACR behind us. This is from our friends over at Snyder Performance Engineering. If you want your car to go faster, those are the people to talk to. They're here in LATROBE. We've got a really impressive operation. Can't stress that enough. Their shop is unbelievable. Beside that, we're tinting the windows on this all the way around and full windshield. They're getting it prepped right now. Then we have a Golf TDI. This came in for a removal and retint, and you can see we've got an IR lamp on the back window. We're doing something called the trash bag method to remove this back window. This car came from Texas. The tint was really beat up and abused by the sun, and it was probably a cheap film originally. That needs to come off, and it is giving us a very hard time. It delaminated. No good. Then we've got a Traverse in the ceramic bay. This is done, ready to go home. Acura MDX, I think this one's here for PPF. Is that getting a coating too? Anybody know? This one's here for just PPF on the front end. Beside that is a beautiful new Escalade. This got a full PPF wrap. This is a V. It sounds incredible. Ceramic coating. In fact, he's just finishing up with one of the wheels now. In front of that is a C7 Z06. Belongs to our friend Mike. We did a full wrap on this originally. It got some damage on the front bumper from rocks, and it is being removed and replaced. One thing we're always really clear with our customers on, PPF is warranted for everything except physical damage. It is designed to absorb impacts. Sometimes the film gets damaged. If that happens, then we do have to charge you for removal and replacement, but it usually saves the paint underneath in that event. On the lift, we've got the whole team working on a stealth wrap on a Range Rover. It's almost done. This is from gloss to satin finish with our xpel stealth product. And a Ram from a local dealership, we're doing a partial front end, partial hood on these Rams. I think there's two of them that came in. We've got a tractor that we previously ceramic coated, and it's back, I think, for an annual, as well as an annual on the attachments that we ceramic coated. All right, outside we have quite a few cars as well, with Super Duty here for an annual inspection next to the mighty TRX, the Hellcat truck. This one's here for an, not an annual, ceramic coating. It's getting picked up today. Dodge Durango, also here for a ceramic coating. We previously tinted the windows. And then an Alfa Romeo. This is here for tint, PPF, and ceramic. Some of it's been prepped, some it's sort of in progress right now, just sitting out. And then this Audi, we retinted, I think, parts of it. Somebody previously tinted it, and we're doing some PPF on the rocker panels. And a Porsche Cayenne, brand new, here for a ceramic coating. We've got a Super Duty getting window tint at 12 o'clock. And a Ferrari California T. This is here, I believe, for a full PPF and ceramic. And this is for our good friend Dave. We love Dave. He travels all over the world, him and his wife. They've been to like 120 countries or something. And he sends us postcards personally, handwritten postcards from almost every country. We've been working with Dave, I think, since the old shop. It's just really cool. Every time he goes to a new country, we expect a postcard, and it's really neat to read when they come in. Behind that is a 911 Cabriolet, also here for a full PPF wrap and coating. And our friend John brought in a GT500 for his annual inspection. John often shows up to our events, brings his car out for all sorts of things. The trunk or treat he's usually at. Kids love that thing. Best part about business is making friends with your customers. Another Audi S4. I think those are both S4s. Not an Audi guy, but this one was here for tint. And a Targa. This one was here for some PPF work. That's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's check out Pittsburgh and both Florida shops.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is this Tesla Model S. This is in for a full paint correction and ceramic coating. We coated all the paint, glass, and tire wheels and calipers. Next in line for a full body paint protection film wrap is this Porsche 911. This is getting our 8mm PPF on the entire body, and then a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this G63. This is in for a full body stealth wrap. The PPF is not laid on this. This is actually factory satin paint. So we're going to be protecting that satin paint with stealth PPF and then coating the entire vehicle. In for a 2-week inspection is this Toyota Sequoia. This got a full body 10mm PPF wrap along with the ceramic coating. Everything's performing great. It's back in for the inspection this morning. Another Porsche in for a full wrap is this GT3. Our good friend Drake brought this into us. It's getting a full 10mm wrap, and we're adding a secondary 10mm rear impact. So with the factory OEM rear impact piece, plus the 10mm full body wrap, plus the 10mm additional piece, he will have 30 mils of PPF on the back rear impact area. So very good protection there. After the PPF is done, it's getting a full coating on the entire body. Another Porsche in the shop is this 84 911. This got tinted on the side windows and the back window. Nate and Cole did an excellent job on this. This was a full custom install. It got 20% on the sides and back. In for some warranty work after an accident is another 911. This one is getting the fender done. So after the paint shop did its thing on the driver's side fender, we're going to reapply a new piece of paint protection film and recoat it. Back in the PPF bay, we have a completed job here. This Hyundai Palisade got some 10 mil paint protection film on the entire front clip and the back bumper.
What's going on, y'all? Today we have an absolute full house here at Blackout Tinting Sarasota. Let me walk you through it. Up first this morning, we had 2 trucks on our schedule, Ford F-150 and Ford F-250. We also had a rear window install on a Tesla Model 3. Came out flawless. If you live in the area and have a Tesla, come and see us so we can take care of that fishbowl for you. On the floor right now, we have a 2026 Acura Integra. It has a dealership tint that's getting removed and re-tinted with xpel Plus the whole way around. We also have this classic Mercedes on the floor, getting a tint all the way around, 20% on the front with 5 in the back. On standby, we have this Nissan Altima, which is also getting a few windows stripped and retinted. This client's looking for privacy and protection, so we're going in with our xpel Plus 5% all the way around. There you have it. That's it from us over here in Sarasota. Happy Wednesday. See you next week.
Thank you for tuning into What's in the Shop. Pretty soon, we're going to announce a new location. Not going to tell you what it is yet, but in the next couple of weeks. And then we might have to pick which shops we're going to show you on Wednesdays. Let us know what your favorite car in all of the shops is. See you next time.